Whoop. Go out the window. Yep, that's snow. Blizzard Part 3 be like. This close already to the end of the year, huh? That was quick. So relaxing. That's it. It's just the sound of silence. Also, look what I found. A Charmander plushie. I don't know where I found it, but I just found it in my house. This is obviously, it's obviously going to be a new character. Definitely, but wow. Wow. I love it. I love Christmas. It's always cheerful, Always cheer and just love. No, not love in the air, but it's always cheerful. There's always cheer and happiness. Unless, if you were bad, then, you know what would happen. Krampus will come and get you. Yes, I did decide to edit him a bit. Hang on. Could try to have the brightness go up. My lights are off. Yeah, I made his crest look more realistically. Covered him with more spots. He actually looks very camouflaged now. On the camera, he actually looks very realistic, not gonna lie. I gave his feet a bit more color. The same color as his underbelly. And it just looks like its own figure now. Of course, I've been planning on painting the inside as well, but I just never got around to that. But wait, a little funny strike here. On the inside, you can kind of still see the original color, original barf green. That's what I call it, barf green. Yep. Albert. Sadly though, guys, Albert is not going to be able to go outside in the snow for Dinosaur Island. Yes, I am hinting towards an episode of Dinosaur Island outside in the snow. But sadly, Albert will not be there because the paint on him is not just meant for that. The spray paint on him, like right there, there's little shiny parts. Right there, the shiny parts. The shiny top parts are meant to be wet. But this kind of paint, you can tell I put them in the snow. And, of course, some of the black paint on the toes got off. Yeah, sadly, guys, sorry. No Albert and snow. I'm sorry. Should have used spray paint instead. But yeah, guys. There, that's it. Blizzard Part 3. Epic soon. So yeah. See you next time. Goodbye.